Many districts in Bengaluru division are formed recently, like Ramanagara in 2007, Chikballapur in 2007, Davangere 1997, Shimoga 1956, Tumkuru 1832, Chitradurga 1465, Kola 2007, Bengaluru in 1986. We'll talk about Bengaluru urban district. There are 4 taluks in this: Bengaluru North, Bengaluru South, Bengaluru East and Anekal. Temples like Someshwara Temple of Alsur, Gavi Gangadheshwara Temple, which belongs to the period of Nadaprabhu Kempegowda's region, is here. There are many churches which are more than a century old, like St. Andrew's Church, St. Joseph's Church, Infant Jesus Church are few to name. Similarly, many masjids like Jamia Masjid, Jumma Masjid and Sangeen Jamia Masjid are important. Bengaluru Rural District. This district came into existence in 1986. It has 4 taluks: Nelamangala, Dodabalapur, Devanahalli and Hoskote. Shivagange in Nelamangala is a famous religious place. Kempegowda International Airport is in Devanahalli. Ramanagara District. It was formed on August 23, 2007. It has 4 taluks: Channapatna, Kanakpura, Ramanagara and Magadi. This is the fastest growing industrial hub of Karnataka. Bidadi Industrial Center is part of this district. This district is famous for Channapatna wooden toys and silk. These are the wooden toys of Channapatna. Chikballapur District. Kolar was divided to form Chikballapur District. It was formed on November 10, 2007. It has 6 taluks: Chikballapur, Gauri Badanur, Bagepalli, Shidlagatta, Gudibande, Chintamani. Temple of Yoganandeshwara and Bhoganandeshwara are here. Nandidurg is a well-known hill station. Kaivara of Chintamani is a place known for a mystic Tataya. Shidlagatta is a known business place for silk. Kola District. Kolar came into existence in 2007. It has 5 taluks: Bangarpet, Kolar, Mulbagilu, Malur, Srinivaspura. Agriculture, dairying, floriculture and silk production are the main occupations of the people here. Chik Tirupati is a well-known religious place. Antargange is an important historical place. Places like Sri Padarayara, Hazrat Baba, Hyder Ali Dargah are there in Kolar district. Tumkuru district. This district was formed in 1832. There are 10 taluks in this: Koratagere, Gubbi, Chikanayanhalli, Pavagada, Kunigal, Turuvekere, Tiptur, Madhugiri, Sira and Tumkuru. This district has many forts built by Palegaras. The district is also known for its educational institutions. Free education and boarding facilities are given to the thousands of students at Siddhaganga Mutt. Another important educational institution is Siddhartha Education Society. A unique horse breeding station is present in Kunigal. Madhugiri has a monolith hill which is the only one in Asia. Devaraya Durga is a famous place. There is a folk song on the tank of Kunigal. Lakshmi Temple of Goravanahalli is a famous religious place. Chitradurga district. It is famous for its gigantic 7-ringed fort. It has 6 taluks: Chitradurga, Hiriyur, Chalakere, Hosadurga, Holakere and Molkalmuru. This district is known for its Palegaras. Madakari Nayaka was a famous Palegara. Onke Obbava is another well-known historical person. There are many other historical people from this district are S. Nijalingampa, Malladihalli Raghavendra Swami, Talukina Venkayya, Tarasu, etc. Davangere district. It was formed by dividing Chitradurga in 1997. It has 6 taluks: Harihara, Harapanahalli, Channagiri, Honali, Jagalur, Davangere. Davangere is called the Manchester of Karnataka. There are many sugar factories operating here. It is also known for its educational centers in the state. The well known Bapuji Educational Institute is here. The biggest lake of South India, Shanti Sagar, is in Channagiri. It has circumference of 64 kilometers. The Hari Hareshwara temple from the Hoysala period is in Harihara, now Shimoga district. It is well known for its scenic beauty. It is called the rice granary of Karnataka. It is famous district of Karnataka. It has 7 taluks: Tirthalli, Sagara, Sorba, Bhadravati, Shimoga, Shikaripura and Hosanagara. Tungabhadra, Sharavati, Varada and Kumdavati are some of the important rivers. Kuppali of Tirthalli is the birthplace of Kuvempu. Bhadravati is growing as an industrial hub. Sharavati hydroelectric project and Varahi hydroelectric projects provide the most of the electricity needs of the state. Shimoga was founded by Keladi rurals in Asia is in Shimoga district. There is a bird sanctuary in Gudavi of Sorba Taluk. Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary is well known. The Tripura Nathakeshwara and Kedareshwara temples of Baligavi are famous. Kuvempu and Dr. U.R. Anantamurthy, the recipients of Jnanpith Award, are from Tirthalli. National award winning singer Shimoga Subanna is from this district.